In this lab, we'll learn how to configure the management interface of a Palo Alto firewall and access its GUI in EVE-NG. The setup is simple. A Windows management PC is connected directly to the management interface of the Palo Alto firewall. The management interface of the firewall and Windows management PC will use the IP address subnet mask as shown on screen. Let's start from the Windows PC. Open the display settings and adjust the resolution according to your system requirements. Next, open the network adapter settings and set a static IPv4 address as shown on screen. Now, open the command prompt and verify your configuration using the ipconfig command. Now let's move to the Palo Alto firewall. After powering it on, wait for a few minutes for all the background processes to complete. Once the system is ready, you can log into the CLI using the default credentials, username, admin and password, admin. In the latest versions of Palo Alto Firewall, when you first log in with the default credentials, the system automatically prompts you to set a new, secure password. Now, let's configure the management IP address. Enter configuration mode by typing configure. Then enter the following commands: set device config system type static. This command sets the management interface IP assignment type to static instead of DHCP. Set device config system IP address netmask. This command assigns the actual static IP address and subnet mask to the management interface. After that, type commit to save the configuration. Once completed, exit from configuration mode and verify the settings using show system info command. Next, go back to the management PC and check connectivity to the firewall using ping. If you receive replies, the management interface is reachable. Now open Google Chrome and enter Firewall Management IP with HTTPS protocol in the address bar. You'll get a security warning. Click Advanced and proceed to the page. Log in using the same default credentials, admin and admin, if firewall is older version. You'll see a warning to change password. If firewall is latest version, use your new, secure password which was set on your first CLI login. After successful login, you'll see the Palo Alto Firewall dashboard. In the General Information section, you can see the management IP address and subnet mask that we configured earlier. You can also explore other sections such as Monitor, Policies, Objects, and Network, which we'll cover in detail in upcoming labs. That's it. We've successfully configured the Palo Alto Firewall Management Interface and accessed the GUI in EVE-NG. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more EVE-NG and firewall configuration labs. Hit the bell icon to get notified for new labs.